There's a place on Earth where the pressure would crush a human instantly, where no sunlight has reached for millions of years, and where, somehow, life continues. More than 6,000 meters below the ocean surface, moving slowly through the darkness, is a creature about the size of your hand. It's called the Dumbo Octopus, and it lives in one of the most extreme environments on the planet. The Dumbo Octopus gets its name from the ear-like fins that sit on either side of its body. These fins flutter gently as it moves, giving it the appearance of flying through the water. It's small. Most species grow to about 20 or 30 centimeters long and soft-bodied, with a translucent, jelly-like texture. Unlike octopuses that live in shallow water, the Dumbo octopus has no ink sac. There's no need. Down here, in the abyssal zone, there's nowhere to hide and nothing to hide from in the way we might imagine. This is not a world of predator and prey in the traditional sense. It's a world governed by scarcity, pressure, and stillness. The Dumbo octopus belongs to a group called Grimpoteuthis, and species in this genus have been found at depths between 3,000 and 7,000 meters. That's deeper than the Grand Canyon is tall. At these depths, the pressure is more than 600 times what we experience at sea level. The temperature hovers just above freezing, and there is no light. This region of the ocean is called the abyssal zone, a flat, muddy plain that stretches across much of the deep sea floor. It's one of the largest habitats on Earth and also one of the least explored. We know more about the surface of Mars than we do about these depths. The Dumbo octopus spends its entire life here, hovering just above the seafloor or resting on the sediment, waiting. Life in the deep sea requires a completely different set of adaptations. The Dumbo octopus moves by pulsing its webbed arms and flapping its ear-like fins. This allows it to glide efficiently through the water without expending much energy, which is critical because food is scarce. It feeds on small invertebrates, worms, and crustaceans that live in or on the mud. Unlike shallow water octopuses, which actively hunt and use their arms to manipulate prey, the Dumbo octopus is more of a grazer. It moves slowly across the bottom, searching. Its body is soft and gelatinous, which helps it withstand the immense pressure. At these depths, there's no need for a rigid structure. The pressure inside and outside the body is equalized. The Dumbo octopus also lacks a defined brain structure in the way we think of it. Instead, its nervous system is distributed throughout its body, allowing it to process information and react to its environment in a decentralized way. This is common among deep-sea creatures, where efficiency and simplicity are evolutionary advantages. One of the most remarkable things about the Dumbo octopus is how it reproduces. Unlike many other octopus species, Dumbo octopuses are believed to have no specific breeding season. Females carry eggs at multiple stages of development, which suggests they can release them whenever conditions are favorable. This makes sense in an environment where encounters with a mate are rare. When a male and female do meet, fertilization occurs, and the female attaches her eggs to rocks or coral debris on the sea floor. The eggs are relatively large and take a long time to develop, possibly several months. When the young hatch, they are fully formed miniature versions of the adults. There is no larval stage. They're born ready to survive in the abyss. This strategy reflects the harsh reality of deep-sea life. Energy is precious, and every offspring must be equipped to succeed immediately. The Dumbo octopus may seem like a curiosity, a strange, gentle creature drifting in the dark, but it represents something much larger. It's part of an ecosystem we're only beginning to understand. The deep sea plays a critical role in regulating Earth's climate, cycling nutrients, and supporting life far above it. Creatures like the Dumbo octopus are indicators of deep ocean health. Studying them helps scientists understand how life adapts to extreme conditions, information that could have implications for biology, medicine, and even space exploration. In recent years, deep-sea mining and industrial activity have raised concerns about the future of the abyssal zone. These ecosystems are fragile and slow to recover. A single disturbance can take decades or centuries to heal. The Dumbo octopus, in its quiet existence, reminds us that life persists in places we can barely imagine, and that those places are worth protecting. Somewhere right now, thousands of meters below the surface, a Dumbo octopus is drifting through the dark. It doesn't know it's being studied. It doesn't know we've named it, filmed it, marveled at it. It simply exists, doing what its ancestors have done for millions of years. In a world that often feels fully explored, fully mapped, the deep sea remains a frontier, and creatures like the Dumbo octopus remind us how much we still have to learn. Not just about the ocean, but about resilience, about adaptation, about life itself.